Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change region on Tacticool. To change your region for matchmaking in Tacticool, first of all, open up the Tacticool application on your device and then tap on the menu button at the top left corner. Now click on the settings button from the left inside menu. You will then be able to see this interface where you need to find the matchmaking region option. Inside matchmaking region, select a different region you'd like to change to. After selecting the region, you will then be able to change to your preferred one. The server that offers the best connection for your location will be highlighted in green, and you can select that for better connection. And that's how you can easily change your matchmaking region in Tacticool. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.